I just unboxed my order from Thomann, a brand new Epiphone Casino for 666 euros, delivered to Finland. I also picked up an Epiphone case separately. The guitar came well protected in two nested boxes and a plastic sleeve, likely for dust protection. Inspecting the guitar, I started with the fretboard edges, which could use a better finishing. The knobs and the tuners worked smoothly and all parts were properly attached. There were minor cosmetic issues. A tiny dent on the fretboard, scratches on the pickup selector switch as if it had dropped to the floor during production, and small other imperfections on the paint finish. I also checked the neck straightness and the fret seating, noticing a slight S-curve on the high string side, but it doesn't seem to affect playability. Anyway, it's one decent instrument. I think it's a keeper.